Hello viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn a few things before starting Autocad. The things that you must do before starting Autocad. So let's get started. The first thing we need to learn is to set, when you open the Autocad, you need to set the unit. For the unit you need to type UN, and from here it depends on you in which type of system are you using. As I use architectural system, so I just select the architecture, and the scale is this one is the precision, and this is the degree means second. And from here you need to select the unit. As we work in the inches, if you are working in the centimeter and mm, so you can select from here, and now just click OK. The second thing we need to do is to set the dimension. Just type D for the dim style, and as the windows open, just select just click on the modify. When you click on the modify and go to the primary unit and select the architecture engineering, it depends on you which unit you select. Select the architecture, precision 0 feet 1/4 inches, that is 0.25, and just select degree means second from here, and just click OK and set current and close it. Now the third thing we need to do is to set the limit. For the limit, just type limits and type 0 feet 0 inches, then comma 0 feet 0 inches, comma, and enter. Now type just like 2000, comma 2000, comma, and enter. Now the fourth thing we need to do is to set the origin of the UCS, and just type UCS here, and if the UCS is here, just click here, and type UCS and select the world. So you can see it will be appear here. If the UCS is not here and it's not showing, so just type UCS icon. Now as it's on, so you can see here. If you off it, so you will not be shown here. Now again type UCS. The UCS should be on its origin. Click and turn on. Now the fifth thing you must do before starting AutoCAD, that is just go to the option, type options, and click on the options, and go to the open and save, and select the save as file in the lowest version, because some of people who are working in 2023 AutoCAD and 2024 AutoCAD, so they must select this one, because when they do work in the higher version and they send the file to someone that he or she has a lower version, so they face the problem, because the file was saved in the higher version, and so it does not open in the lower version. So the first thing you need to just do to set this to 2007, and the automatic save should be minimum just like 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can give 10 minutes also, but that is enough time, and you just need to select the one, I mean, that is 60 seconds. So that will be good. The file will be automatically saved in this time. And the other thing, as you can see that the display is here the display is dark. If you want light display, so you can easily select light from here, and just like this. When I apply it, So you will see that the display is become white. And now if I again go to the options, so I can turn this to dark. Just click here and dark. And the other thing we need to do, as you can see, the crosshair, the cursor hairs are very less in the length. So if you want to increase the cursor here, just type OP and just increase this amount and apply. So you can see they are the length of the cursor here increased. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These were the few things that you must do before starting AutoCAD, before starting working on AutoCAD. Thank you so much.